Hey guys, it's JMay. Today we're going to be talking about BMW X5 or any of the mid to late 2007 key fobs. I'm getting a error saying that this won't charge from the dash. So what we're going to go and do is replace the battery for this today. This is the original key fob for the car. So you can see it's missing a button. I went ahead and ordered a new one from I think it was Amazon. I have a new battery I'm going to be replacing it with. Things you'll need today. You can use this. I picked this up at Home Depot. It seems pretty good. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can go ahead and try using this. Basically, you heat it up with a... you apply it and then put it onto your circuit board, apply heat, and then it solders it. But that's an option. Otherwise, you'll need solder, some flux, a solder sucker, which is this device here, and as you can see, it pulls a vacuum, and then a soldering iron. So let's go ahead and get into this. What I'm going to go ahead and do first is, this is the old key fob. If you look here, there's a little tab. What I like to do is just pull across here. I don't care if I'm going to break this or not, but you can pry and get the part apart. Let's see. Nope, broke that. Let's see if I can get this in here. Need a thinner blade. Give me a second here. I did use that pry point earlier. As I said, I'm not really caring about this key because, or this fob, because I'm going to be replacing it. So, ordinarily you can get in here and then pry in between. Let's see if I'm doing anything here. Let's go with the front here. So it looks like you can get it open a little bit. Basically, on the inside of this, I'll show you the inside of the other one. There's tabs on the inside here that click on the inside of these portions here. So basically, all we're looking to do is pry it apart. Ow! Nothing like stabbing yourself in the finger with a flat-bladed knife or flat-bladed screwdriver. And that's not going to work because that's part of that. There we go. Alright, now that we got that open, here's the old circuit board. So there's your buttons for the parts, for the key fob buttons. So here we are. We have these two sections here that we need to desolder. And I'm going to check this board here, or this battery real quick. Looks like it's the same thing. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is attach that there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up my solder sucker. It's a solder sucker. And I'm going to go ahead and heat this up until it decides to start melting. Which looks like it's doing pretty quickly here. Oh. And suck all the solder off. Okay, and we're going to do the other one. And make sure not to touch any of the components. Okay. Let's see if we can pull this out here. Okay, that one's out. So that one, that's a smaller pin, and this is the larger one. So let me go ahead and heat this up, and I'll just get this battery off. I'm guessing all I have to do with this one is just heat it up and then just pull. There we go. All right, now normally with a solder joint like this, you'd want to try and solder it, you know, tin it, and make sure that it's got solder on it to kind of make it easier. But this has already got solder on it, so this is going to be easy. All right, that's that. I'll get our solder. Flux would be optional on this one, but I think we should have an easy time getting this on. There's one, and there's two. Awesome. All right, so now that that's done, we'll go ahead and test this and make sure it's working okay. Yeah, it looks like it's working. All right. So now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and put it in the new case. Now, with this key fob, this has got the removable battery cover at the bottom. The original key that actually came with the car didn't have that. So what we're going to do is, because we don't need this part, we're going to go ahead and take this out, just because this is the non-replaceable kind of battery. Where's my screwdriver at? There it is. So we're just going to pop that out. We're going to go ahead and put this back in. And then that's the new one. Go ahead and lock her up. Let's see. And there you have it. All fixed and brand new. So we're going to go ahead and try this out in the car. It should be fine. I just bought the battery from Amazon. I bought the new key fob shell on Amazon as well. It was less than 20 bucks, I think, for everything. So, all right, that'll do it for this video. If you guys have any questions or any concerns or whatever, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button, guys. Ring that thing. More videos like this coming soon. And as always, do your thing. Thanks for watching.